Alright, so today we're going to be putting in Mina's sr20 literally 5 years later. Right, Mina?
Yeah, about 2 years, 2 years later. Better late than never, though.
So this is pretty much going to be like a little fast intro type of thing. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and then comment below just for shenanigan stuff. But we're just going to go ahead and drop in the motor, and it's not going to be like a little demonstration. So it's just going to be for the funs and giggles. But again, hoping you enjoy this video. Alright, the motor is in. Having a little bit difficult time, but the cross member was in, and then noticed that was kind of stopping everything. But I'll do a little pulling here and there, try to get everything as centered as possible so we can guide both motor mount bolts. But everything is looking so far so great. But pretty much I'm going to be ending the day. Mina's still going to work on this, so well, it's a little project for him. But hopefully give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future, and thanks for watching.